In this video, I'll be showing you guys how to install any IPA of your choosing without using a dedicated sideloader or app. Pretty much, with this way, you guys can sideload any app that you guys want directly through Safari without even having to download an app that allows sideloading, making this the easiest way to sideload ever. So the first thing you guys are going to do is open up Safari, and in Safari, you're just going to go to this website link here. I'll leave it in the description down below. And the first thing you guys are going to do is just go to downloads here, and then you guys are going to click on config profiles. And then on config profiles, you guys are just going to click on CFDNS config profile and then click allow. And now we just have to go to settings to actually install the profile. So go into settings, go into general, scroll down until you guys see VPN and device management, and then click on the downloaded profile here and click on install, enter in your passcode, click on next, install. And now you guys can just click on done. And now that it's downloaded, just go back to VPN and device management and make sure that it is on CFDNS plus install only, as this DNS will allow you to install the required IPA. Now we're just gonna go back into Safari. You're gonna click on back here. And now you guys are gonna go to certificates. And then once you guys do click on certificates again. And then you guys will get this pop up here, click on download. And now just go to your downloads and click on the certificates here. And once you guys do locate your certificates.zip file, just tap on the certificates.zip file here, and you guys will see 17 items here. So you can just click on the actual folder here, and you guys will see a bunch of the certificates, and there should be 2 items in each one of them. One is the mobile provision file, and the other is the P12 file. So now you guys are just gonna go back to WSF, click on back, and then click on back. And now just go to Portal Signer here. And you guys will see a bunch of stuff, but don't worry, we'll go through everything here. The first thing is under IPA, you're just gonna click on IPA here, and you're just gonna locate your IPA file. For this video, I'll be sideloading Old OS. And if you guys wanna know how to get Old OS on your iPhone here, I will leave a video in the top right. Anyways, just click on the Old OS IPA file here. And now we need to go and click on the mobile provision and P12. So click on mobile provision here. And once you guys click on mobile provision, all you have to do is just locate the certificate that you know is working. So as of recording this video, the only certificate that's working right now is postal. So if I click on postal here and then click on the P12 and then click on the postal P12 file and then put the password as WSF, and now I click sign, then you guys will open this page in iTunes. So click on open here. And then it'll say wsf.shoreline.je would like to install Old OS. So click on install here. And now if you guys go back to your home screen, you guys will see the Old OS IPA being downloaded here. So just give it some time. And as you guys can see, Old OS has finally been installed. So now if you guys click on this, you guys will get an untrusted enterprise developer. And so essentially what we need to do is just go into settings. And then in settings, go to general, scroll down until you see VPN and device management. And then you guys will see your certificate here. So you guys are just going to click on the certificate and then click on trust. And that will prompt you for a restart. So I'll be back when I restart. And once you guys have trusted the certificate, all you need to do is just open up the app that you guys sideloaded here. So for me, I'm going to open up this Old OS IPA here. Click on allow, and as you guys can see, everything works just like it is intended to. And now all we have to do is just one last step. So you're going to go back into settings and then go to general, scroll down to VPN and device management. And now that we have installed the app that we want to, we just go to CFDNS plus install only. So click on that here, and now just click on CFDNS config profile. Or you guys can also click on CFDNS config profile plus UB. And now you guys can enjoy revoke free IPAs all through your browser. Anyways, I hope this video helped. If it did, please leave a like and subscribe. Leave a comment down below for more video suggestions, and thanks for watching.